This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, hello.
Mm, yeah. So here you can see the values, what the values are coming in and what the values are going in. Yes, maybe come down. So maybe we'll see this in the structure level. Now come out. So just see the values. Here you can see the I think the plant and also the text of the employee. So there are different values you can see. Where is the employee number? And uh, I think, yeah, see, you can see the in this structure you can see the employee number, guys. This is the employee number, and see info type 002 is the info type, and start date and end date of this address details, employee personal details, and everything it is there here, guys. See the breakpoint, you can see the employee details are over here. And what is the reference? So reference, nothing is there. So in this I get all the details. What is the T class? Transactional class. Maybe A, the whether it is in a change, whether it is in a display, I think that is in a transactional class. Okay, we have a lot of things over here. Okay, best run, Germany works. There are a lot of values. The organizational data also coming in. The organizational data this is. Okay. So maybe if you want to see exactly what are the values, those I cannot see in the debugging. You can see only the technical names, right? But if you want to see the uh, if you want to see the descriptions and go to the implementation and before output, click on this and maybe okay, what is this exactly? Double clicks reference. Okay, this is in a transactional class. Transactional class for the data retention. And what are the values we have in the transactional class? Go to the domain and go to the value range. You can see A means master data and time data, guys. A means it's in a master data and time data. B means application data, and T means it's in a shift schedule, employee shift schedule. So okay, maybe master data of the employee. This is. And next go to the work fields for the dialog control. Dialog control means it's in a screen controlling, guys. Dialog means always it's in a screen. So maybe the screen fields you are going to see in this structure. So see first info type record, info type initialization, info type operation, what operation we are doing. So maybe info type operation. See what is the info type operation. Little um, interesting. Okay, no fixed values. Mm, function code status. Okay, display message. Company code, you can see the company code, business area, uh, personal area, personal group, everything will be comes, the control data comes over here, guys. So I can write these structures because I will not remember later. So maybe next slide, the employee control data, control information, employee control data, like company code, personal area, personal group. This kind of information will be stored in this structure. And the another structure, come back, and which we have seen. This is the fields for the dialog controller. No. Personal group and all. Yeah. Next one is the personal area sub area will be in this structure. I001P. I001P. Personal area and sub area, because there will be conditions, guys. If employee belong to this personal area, this subgroup, do this logic. If employee belongs to this personal area, this subgroup, do this logic. If you want to put some conditions, you have to make use of this importing parameters. Okay, then employee group and subgroup, and you have the employee group and subgroup. I5 503, I503, employee group and subgroup, and it's the info type data. Uh, how many ends? 4 ends. It's an info type data. Info type means, suppose if you select whatever info type, that data will come, guys. Then HR objects. What is objects? So it's a personal number, subtype, and everything. The data objects will be comes into the here. Okay, most of the data comes into the here, guys. PREF, not PREF exactly. The IPREF, IPREF, employee objects, control S case. So my requirement may be, before coming into the screen, I need to default some values, case. How can I do that? Maybe that's it. That is my requirement. So here, maybe, do you see male, female options here? Birth date, Mr. uh, name here. Here you can see Mr. Mrs. like that. Male, female. Do you see anywhere in the employee personal details? It is not there here. Birth data. hmm, Nationality, German. Birth date, the last state. Let us enhance. Will do. First, I would like to default some values here. Okay, we'll do the birthplace here, maybe. So based on the country, we'll get the birthplace. No, it's not good idea. Formatting. So number of childs, guys. Okay, guys. What I am planning to do is, so I put in a number of childs. If it is in a single, don't enter the number of childs, guys. Don't allow the number of childs. This is a validation I would like to do. If it is married, then only I will allow the number of childs. If it is not married, then don't allow the number of childs, guys. So if it is, or else if it is single, don't allow. For other things you can allow it. Okay. If it is single, don't allow the number of childs. For all conditions, you have to allow the number of childs. Okay. So if you want to do this functionality, where you need to do the right in the PBO, are you going to do it? where you are going to write. Before coming to the screen, you are going to do the validation. No, here, where you enter the value, then only you need to do the validation, right? After entering the value only, you can do whether the value is entered or not. If you want to default, then you can do in a PBO. But I entered some value and enter, and I need to validate. So if it is in a single, we should not enter in a number of childs to the single. When it is in a single, don't add the number of childs case. So this is the functionality which we are going to do now. Maybe come back and in after input and break. Okay, see here. So old values, new values, everything is there. No problem. So here you can see. So here two things case. These are info type values. So this contains the old values. This contains the new values. Whatever the values you change, the changed value will be available in new structure. The old values will be available in the old structure, guys. So now see error with message. So suppose if you want to raise an error message, you need to raise an exception. Raise the exception error with message case. This is the error message you need to raise it. Okay. So maybe I am going to handle here. So here maybe put the breakpoint. We'll see first. Put the static breakpoint, and I need to see the values case. Then I will do the things. Come back. Okay. PA 30. So click on the personal data and uh, enter. And even personal data also, do you have subtypes? See guys, no subtypes for the personal data. For personal data there are no subtypes. And change. Yeah, PBO it will trigger before displaying that detailed screen. It triggers. I don't do anything in the PBO for now. So maybe my scenario is after I enter single, I put 2 and press enter. See, it is trigger the PAI. So in the PAI, I need to check, okay, whether it is in a single or other than single. Okay, if it is in a single, then only allow. If it is not equal to single, sorry, if it equal to single, if you see any value in the child and raise an error message, guys, and see the values locals. And in the local, I see the new values. See, guys, in the new values, definitely there is a 2. I don't know the field. Okay, this doesn't contain data 3, Matsal data 1. Where is the uh, changed value? Where it is here? 1298. I put in a data 1. Okay, and data 2. What is this data 1? Okay, here. So the data 1 contains here. Okay, I think how to get the data this. Data 1, go to again new. I think this contains total value or what? 250. What is this? The entered value. Where is the first? Maybe we'll check here one by one. Go to this. Check for that 2. Hmm? I think this is what you are thinking. I don't think. Go to here. What is the structure? 593. Go to the it's a PAI, right? 503. Check it. And what is that? AU training status. Yes, that is okay. Actually, what we will search for the child, huh? Where the child option will be stored. First of all, that we need to do. See, guys. Okay, then go to. I think here you will see, guys. So child option. Do you see any two? No. And here, no. Here, I think this should be having, guys. This should be having. Did you see any two? No, 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 no. Where is that value to? New doesn't have. Here only master or host, but only 250 characters we have, guys.
Sir, can we have screen field name and can we search this?
Screen field name. Yeah, that's good idea. Because yeah, I think yeah, he's the only person is there in the meeting. Okay. Yeah. So he catch PA 0002 ANZKD, guys. It's an ANZKD field. Okay, we have to look out where that fields exist actually. Go to the all structures. Okay, first structure Control F ANZKD. No, then go to the uh, this is the structure, right? Control F ANZKD. Nothing is there. Go to the second one. Okay, if it is not there, definitely both are reference. And Control F ANZKD. No. Okay, then here maybe here Control F ANZKD. No, yes, where that value is coming up. Screen value, screen control values or screen values coming up. Okay, what is the structure? Again, maybe we'll take it from the structure. Structure is PA 0002 ANZKD. So can we get that PA 0002 global? I don't think. In the debugging, we came back from the debugging. Where is my debugging here? Oh, I came back from the debugging. PA 000, sorry, PA 30. Hmm? Where is my BADI here? Huh? So 2, enter PA 00002. It's a no. Hmm. So this is a problem in HR, guys. Locals, something, some X. They set some X, guys. Why? What is this X? What is the status? We see time sheet. Huh? How the data will be stored? Actually, this new and old will have the data, guys. So why it's not coming? New and old. Old. See, I think I need to play with this. I think so. Data one, I suspect some data here, guys. See, so see, Marstal, Harst, right? So this data is coming in data one and two. If you see here, data one, and this data one contains the string, guys. So see if you can see here, this is the data. So how to read that? This field, I how to read from that? That's a little difficult task. So how to
And
read
do
this,
it will
guys?
trigger after saving?
Huh? Title.
After saving only it will be triggered.
No. After you, I think that also we need to see new one in the data one, data two, data three, data four. It's a new one. But which data it is going to store, we are not sure here. So we'll check. Okay, this is maybe data one. This is my data two. This is maybe data three. We'll see data three here. Data three. I think. 1970 0101. It's a change date. Huh? Okay. This is 1970 0101 here. So birth data which is available in data 3. This is their data 3. Maybe guys. So I go to the here again. We have to see what exactly the data 1, data 2, data 3. See. Okay, they didn't give anything here. Huh? No. Everything is same. 250 characters they have taken. Which data will store in which this? So they are storing all this data in one field. So this total data in one field, this total data in one field, this total data in one field. So definitely they have stored this. I think this is there in 1970 0101. I think huh? Merchant status. But entered value should be in the new. The new we'll see one by one, guys. Data one, data two, data three. So this is the name and data two. Oh guys, if you see there is some values, you are not able to visible this. See guys, there are some values here. This is key guys, see. So 1971 0101 DE Germany. Okay guys, now I got it. So this is my data 2, this is okay, which is having the values, the date and also the country details. Germany is the DE is the code, and you can see the values over here guys. Then next one is data 3, data 1 we have seen nothing is there, data 2 we have seen there is a data, but our value is not exist here. We'll see the data 3, uh, data 3 guys, data 3, and even we do the because we need to say 250 characters it is. So I think nothing is there. It's not going. And the next one is uh, data for see guys. Okay, Horst Miller date is there. Hmm. And only the last option is the data 5. Maybe we should get the data in data 5 guys. Otherwise, even I do not have any clue. Okay, we have other things as well. Data 5 blank and data 6, 6 and 7. The last option 6 also no data. Last 7. Somewhere it is missing here. Hmm? But the data is there here. The data is there, but somewhere it is missing the two childs, number of childs too. So hmm. I will play a little trick here. So I put in a child's 999. Okay. This many childs. Who is having? Enter. Too long. Not accepting SAP also here. Okay. Family planning. So now you can see 99 I put. 99 is acceptable. Yeah. Okay. Trick guys. Now you can see data. To here there are some values. Change. DE Denmark. Okay. No values. See, go back and 3 change. So change and some new logic here in the HR. Okay, how to get the changed values? Marital processing. We get this. We get this. I'm not getting this. Child, even okay, it is checking. By default, it is checking. No, in other countries, it's possible. See 80. It is a screen fill. So he's also telling one logic. Yeah, I am also checking that. Since that is, I don't think it's not visible in here. I have to Google only the option. I know in the implementation. Uh-huh. Hmm. Uh-huh. So, guys, there is a wonderful concept which we are going to see now is, so this is a field symbol, very, very powerful concept, call stack concept, guys. So what he is doing is, he is not able to get the data by using interfacing parameters, guys. He is getting the data from the global program. The global program, this is the program behind the info type. So this is the info type 0015. Yeah, info type is 15 info type, and this is the program. In this program, next one is the info type. Okay, so see, I will show the program like this. Maybe come back. SC38. For every program is designed dynamically, it seems. So take the program MP001500, MP00. See guys, PBO modules 0015 1500. Yes, it's a info type for the additional payment. Maybe our info type is MP0002. No, so it's a personal actions. 20 for the data definitions. It's for the PBO modules. It's the PAA modules. 100 for the organizational. Uh, See guys, personal data. This is the program, guys. Display. Go to the module pool, guys. This is. We'll see the data, guys. This is the program actually. In this program, go to the screen. So everything is system knowledge. And this is. We have a lot of screens. What is the screen number here, which we have seen? PA30 F1. Module pool is very, very important. The screen number 201. Go to the module pool 201 and go to the layout. See guys, so you can see marital status. It's an FAT XT. It's a Q002 guys. Q002. This is the structure they have used for the screen field. Q0002. Remember, it's a PA0002. So we have to use. That is also PA. Marital status. This is Q0002 FAT XT. But we'll see. No problem. We'll use. Maybe this is a text actually. When I click this, it comes from there. Okay. So what I need to do is, so we'll do the logic in the same way, guys. See, debugger, come back. See, I will come back. So it's a powerful debugging. So check change and go to the stack, guys. Interview also they will ask what is call stack. So if you want to see the call stack in the debugging, standard is the option, guys. Go to the standard. See, it starts the program from here and see, guys, the program MP 0000200 guys. This is the program. In the debugging, you will find it, guys. Why we went that many uh, places. 200 is the screen and program is this case. So maybe my cursor, I will navigate my cursor to the uh, uh, here. See, I came to this case. I came to this program level. In this program level, maybe go to the program level. Uh, where is the program? Yeah. And maybe I go to the inside F5. Okay, no. I go here and in this, go to the desktop level and see the globals. In the globals, we have the variable. One is the PA 0002. No. So maybe what I can do is, so I will put like this. Same way in the like here, MP of our program. Okay, my program is, what is our program name, guys? Standard. So take this, Control V of PA 00002 PA 0002. First enter. No, not PA na. Sorry, P 0002. Enter. Yeah, guys. See, so from the global, from the global program, this is the global program. This is the module pool. From this module pool, you can access the structure PA 0002 and double click here. You see the details, guys. So in this structure, definitely you see how many number of childs which you have entered. Did you enter the childs? See ANZKD. This is the field for the number of childs, guys. If I enter 2, whatever you enter, you are going to get it here. Maybe one more, we have Q002, guys. So this will have the whether it is married or single. So yeah, FAT XT, guys. So you are going to get this value, guys. Maybe you can see so FAT XT value is not there here. Did I selected that? Maybe it will be there in P 0002. So you can see some values. Denmark 190001. I think I suspect these two values. Maybe yes, case. Okay, no problem. First, we'll. This is the stack point of view. So we'll do later what exactly it is. First of all, how this value is populating. That's what I need to see, guys. So there should be a value for every single. Maybe go to the here. There is an options and local. So there I can set some values, key values. Show keys within the drop down list. You can show the values. This is my drop down. It will show the values in the list, guys. So or else I will go to the screen field and go to the screen. This is my program, module pool program, and this is my screen. In this screen, go to the layout, how they have assigned this value. So somewhere I think the value will be available. Q 000 FKXT. So go to flow logic. The flow logic in the P, I want an Q002 GBPs. After input, what is FAM DT? I will see. What is the field here? The marital status, right? Control FMAR. See, marital status key is FAMST. So you need to fetch the FAMST, guys. So PA 0002 FAMST. Number of childrens. See, one is the FAMST, and how can I get that FAMST? Can I get in the debugging FAMST? So we'll see that maybe in the debugging, guys. FAMST. One more is the ANZKD. So do the debugging again. We are in the debugging mode. No. So debugging F1. Okay. Module pool programming. System knowledge is important, guys. PA30. So almost 1.5 hours for the enhancement. So it takes some time, 3 hours minimum. FAMST is the marital status. Another one is ANZKD, children's. One more field is text is there here. FAKTX. So again, maintain the personal data, change and execute. And see, guys, single. Maybe I will select married and I put children as 99. Okay. Next, go to the program. What is the program here? Again, I forgot. MP MP P002. Enter. Here you can see the data. So what is the first field? FAMST. FAMST. Correct only, right? FAMST. FAMST. ANGKD. ANZKD. FAMST. See, FAMST, the value is 1. NZKT 9. Is it 1 is married? Huh? So we'll get it, no problem. So here we are going to see the fixed values are in the value table. So in table level, we can check it. Go to FAMST, go to the domain level value range and go to the table. The table you can see the, so, oh, okay, in English. Huh? So language will have one married, guys. Perfect. So we are getting the data, right? So 0 means it's in a single. So if this value equal to 0, if you see any value in the kids, raise an error message, guys. So our problem is solved, guys. So now, so guys, so what I need to do is, if you want to access from the debugging like this, so it's not a straightforward, guys. It's not a straightforward. So you have to do a field symbol. See, so this you cannot do straightforward. You need to use a field symbol, and from the value from the stack, if you want to read from the global variable, if you want to read the value in another program, and you have to use a stack by using field symbols, guys. First declare a field symbol for two fields. Now go to the BADI SE 19, okay, and implementation change and interface in the input. So without debugging, you cannot do anything in the enhancement. It's not at all possible. If you read something in the blog, if you put the code, it doesn't work out, guys. Debugging is important for the enhancements. See, I did a debugging until I find the solution. So analysis takes a lot of time in the enhancement, but the implementation see in implementation point of view, it in 10 minutes I can complete this implementation. Field symbols and my LV underscore, what is the first field? I want in a, this important, guys, FAMST, okay, which is an a field symbols, which is an a type of FAMST data element. So go to the table, okay, I don't want this, and FAMST. So the data element also uh, same, guys. So guys, always field symbol, guys, don't use like this. So always use less than and greater than. Please watch my uh, videos. You didn't watch my videos, okay? LFS field symbol underscore FAMST, and which is in a type of this. Okay, next one is control C. Even I need to have a one field symbol for the child, ANZKD, and which is in a type of, maybe we'll see, guys. Definitely there will be an ANZKD. Okay, then do this, save, do the syntax check. Okay, no syntax errors found, guys. So if you want to get this value, so what we are going to do is, first you need to write assign. Okay, first do in a single quote since it's an hard coded one. So same thing we did, like MP, the program name is 00020, and the table name P 000 of hyphen. What is the field? First field you want? I want an a FAMST. FAMST. This value, send this to the field symbol. This Control C, Control V, and same way Control C and Control V, and assign the ANZKD. ANZKD, and assign this to the this case. So ANZKD. F1 technical settings. Do this case. Why we need to worry, and go here, control V, control V. Okay, P double zero is fine, right? Do you have any space? No. Okay, I thought there is any space. So assign this value to here, assign this value to here, guys, and save pretty printer. Yes, and guys, if LF this value equal to the 0, if this value which is equal to the 0, and if it is in a single, if he is having kids, okay, in India we don't allow. In India we don't allow, guys. Maybe I can put in a country also. And country, can I get the country? PA0002, can we have in a country? Maybe other countries we will allow, but in India I think it is there here. So it is there. Nation, NATIO, NATIO. Maybe for now I, oh yeah, okay, we'll put in a global. I need to handle that field as well. Okay, I need to create one more field symbol for that. So I don't do like that. Okay, and if, okay, maybe now raise an a message, but here you need to raise an exception, guys. Here exception you need to raise it. So how to raise the exception? Raise and diet exception, control space, error with message, and message name. I need to give the message, guys. No, no, no. Control S. We need to give the, what is the type of this? Oh, direct message. Error with message. Okay, just raise and leave it. It's normal message exception, and raise error with message. Save. Pretty printer. Do the syntax check. Edit. Encounter compatible types. Okay. Incompatible types. How? P000 FAMST. Okay.
Brackets. Bracket.
I need to open one more bracket here. That's it. Whenever you do the assign, right, you need to use the brackets. I forgot that. Incorrect logical operation. Yeah. And which is equal to the child, which is not initial. We don't know, right, how many. So we'll check. If you see any values in this, then we'll raise an error message. If it is space, that's no problem. But if you put one or two or something, definitely there is a value, guys. Do the syntax check and act. So maybe we'll put the breakpoint. Put the breakpoint. Now, see, guys, implementation takes very less time. Last 1.5 hours we are working on the analysis, finding the things. But implementation takes 5 to 10 minutes. So what is this? PA 30. So personal data, change. So it PBO, I don't do anything. So now guys, so single I put 99. So it should throw an error message. Enter. So first assign this value, and now you can see the value is 0 and this value is 99. So if it is 0 and if there is any kids and raise an error message, error with message. See guys, we are raising in a message. It's going dump guys. Message type is unknown. So you have to put in a type with the error E. So type how to uh, so we need to rise this with the message guys. I can rise with the message F1. We can rise exception with the message, not rise exception, rise rise with the message guys, exceptions rise exception. So we have an option with the message. I can raise an exceptions. Message we can raise an exceptions. Message we can raise an exception. It's not type direct class message. Okay. See. So exception handling and raise exception with the message. Where is my things? Message rising with exception. Okay. Message this type error rising exception guys. See, message you have to put your own message and type and with exception. See guys, F1 gives a lot of information. Control V. Okay. Kids not allowed for a single person. Type error rising exception error with the message. That's it. Save and pretty printer and do the syntax check and activate. So again do the PA30. Interview they will ask here call stack. What exactly the call stack? So the call stack you can see in the debugging standard tab, and so it will give all the sequence of the execution of the all the programs of the transaction. And if you want to get the this is a question in SAP labs guys. So this is a little difficult. So in SAP labs they ask this question: how can you read the value of the global program variable data into your in the low programs? How can you read it? By using stack, by using field symbols, by using stack I can read the data guys. So that's an SAP labs question. Okay, so what happened to this personal data and change PBO, don't do anything, and single put 99, enter, and see uh, F8, and skits not allowed for a single person. See guys, I can change and enter and see, and now you can see the value, and F5. Okay, space is allowed for a single person. Maybe I will go to the married. I can give 99 and yes and yes, but he is a married person. Yes, it is. It doesn't go inside. It is allowed, and you can save it and save. Yes, guys, we can allow the data for the kids. So this is a, so what you are doing, so you are enhancing the existing application with your own custom functionality, guys. It's a custom functionality which is not there in the SAP is allowing, but my requirement, my business requirement is I should not allow for the kids for the single person, guys. So I am adding my own functionality without disturbing the existing functionality, guys. Even I'm not disturbing the existing functionality, guys. So that's the guys, whenever you ask an a you give a kids, it is asking to create your kids details, guys. See, so it is asking for the kid detail. You need to enter 99 kids details, guys. Okay, so don't give the kids 99, give one or two. You can create a kids details, guys. That's it for that today. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. So I will post this code, which is a very important code, guys. So maybe you will not get this kind of codes. Okay, Control C. I will post it. Okay, HR employee master data BADI code in after underscore input method. See, guys, so module pool is plays key role in the enhancement because each and every standard application is designed with the module pool screens. Yeah. So if you know the screen programming, then you are comfortable to do the enhancement. Otherwise, it's not at all possible. Everything derived with the module pool program only, guys. So that's it for that today. Thank you all. See you. Bye bye tomorrow, and see you tomorrow. And go to the WhatsApp. So this is the guys spontaneous instance implementation in the training. It's not prepared one. I didn't prepare. So within 1.5 hours, I have implemented the enhancement, guys. Okay. But outside, if you go, they will explain customer master enhancement, vendor master enhancement. That's it. Done. One enhancement for the customer master, BADI for the vendor enhancements concept is done. Okay. So which one you want? Batch 6. PPT is there in the batch 8. Enhancement in the batch 8 is batch 8. Batch 8. And also the code controls. Okay. So guys, field symbols also, you can do a lot of things with the field symbols. This is also important concept, guys. So please watch my videos in the object orientation. Object orientation is very important, guys. So maybe when you are getting all days, you are enjoying. Okay, don't enjoy, guys. So really, I will tell some of the examples. Who will do the hard work? Okay, they will win, guys. Otherwise, you will lose. That's it. If you do the hard work, you will win. Otherwise, you will lose, guys. That's only the concept I can give. And also I have seen the students who are doing the hard work, they are surviving. Who are not doing the hard work, they are not surviving the jobs. So please do the hard work. uh, Even we have a lot of time from now also. Okay, please put a lot of efforts and please learn the subject with the debugging. Okay, debugging is very important. Don't execute the programs. Okay, do the programs, execute the programs with the debugging functionality, guys. So always you have to, your hand should be on the F5 F6 F5 F6 F8 F5 F6 F8. Okay, so then only you will survive in the market, guys. So that's it. If you don't know the concept, that's not a problem, guys. You can google it, you can build it.